This is my business over here, flower shop. I work like crazy. Okay, yeah, sometimes quiet. I had to relax. I do make flowers over here for more than 20 years already, and people come to order flower from me for even funeral or either banquet or marriage. Besides of this, and I play music also, they will have more people pay attention. Hey, this is a flower shop, we can come in. I am playing music about 10 years. My music group over here every day, everybody playing music, and I'm interested. And then I just join with them. My instrument is the yangqin, and I play with the bamboo. Well, I feel really good because the people enjoy it, and I'm relaxing myself. I really enjoy it. I've been in this Spofford Alley more than 20 years already. Usually quiet. Only people come by, or like the beauty shop, they come to cut their hair, and then old people walking by to their home, and then somebody come by to order flower for me. People really quiet over here. I hope the people have more interest in this alley. I think Locura is a really nice group, but before I don't know how Locura is, but right now I know. I'm really interested, and I hope everybody will like it and enjoy it. Hello, my name is Ángela. This is Spofford Alley. This is the bank Locura.